It's Trish with Ish Marketing again, guys. I'm just today going to show you how to use Google Drive and why, as a small business owner, you should use Google Drive. As you can see here, we're logged into a Gmail account. You will need to have a Google account to be able to use Google Drive. So I've already logged into one of our Gmail accounts. If you will look up in your right-hand corner here, there's a apps box here. It's got 9 little boxes. That's what you're going to start by clicking. After you click that, it's going to give you a drop down. And the goal here is to select Drive. Once you select Drive, it's going to open up what we call Google Drive. This is a great platform to be able to share documents, store documents. It's the best thing, in my opinion, to collaborate within a group. So we're going to start out with how to add a folder and how to add a file and share it. So the first thing, again, we're going to do is right-click within this boxed area here. Once you right-click, it gives you the options here to add a new file, upload a file, so you could just directly upload a file, but I do like to keep it organized. So what I typically will do is add a new folder. When I add a new folder, I'm going to call this folder number 1. And when I hit create, you'll see that my folder gets added to my Google Drive. Now I can simply open up files and drag them into that folder. To give you an example here, I'm going to open up my file folders and simply drag my Ish logo into that file folder, as you can see there. So now it's going to give you an update status here on the right. And let's take a look in that folder by double-clicking on it, and there's our logo. Now, the next thing we're going to talk through is how to share this folder or the actual document with somebody. It's great to be able to store all your items here, but again, it's the collaboration that makes Google Drive so great. So if you right-click on that folder, you're going to be given the option to share or get a shareable link. You can do it either way. We'll walk through both options. If you hit share, it's going to give you an option to type in somebody's name. If they're in your Google address book, they're going to come up here, or you can simply type in their email address. So I'll give you an example. You can add a note underneath here, whatever you may say. So here's the folder. And then we're going to hit send, and that is going to send to the person. What you want to make sure is to check this right here. When you click on it, it's going to give you the option that they can organize, add, and edit this folder, or they can simply view it. So if you're just wanting to share something that somebody can view, then of course you're going to select that option. If you're going to want them to be able to download it, edit it, or organize it in any capacity, then of course you'll hit that one. And then you simply hit send. Now that person is going to receive that particular email. The other option, again, like I did talk about, was to, is to right-click on that folder and get a shareable link. So if you click on that option, it's going to pull up here where you can view. And if you want to change that again, the settings that we talked about, which is edit, you can select edit here. Your link is right here, but all you have to do is click this button right here to copy the link. So again, if you just want them to view, you select that and copy the link. They are different links, so be aware of that. And then once you have that selected, you can simply copy and paste that link into an email address, and that person will be able to access that folder. And that was our tutorial today from Ish Marketing. Thank you so much.